Hey everyone, welcome back to our English conversation show. I'm Shirley.
And I'm Patrick. Hello, hello. It's so good to see you all again. Or, well, imagine you're here with us.
Yeah, we hope you're doing great today. So in this episode, we're going to talk about English small talk, how to make friends and have simple everyday conversations.
Exactly. Shirley, small talk sounds small, but it's actually a big deal when you're learning English.
Oh, yes. It's how you start conversations, how you connect with people, how you make friends. Even a little hi, how are you can open a door to friendship.
That's right. So today we'll show you how small talk sounds in real life. We'll share stories, some examples, and talk about how to sound natural.
Perfect. And remember, we're going to speak slowly and clearly so you can follow along easily. You can even repeat after us if you want to practice.
Yeah, repeat. That's a great idea. All right, Shirley, shall we get started?
Let's do it. Morning small talk. So, Shirley, let's start simple. How's your morning going?
Oh, it's going pretty good. I had my coffee, so I'm awake now. How about you?
Same here. I can't start my day without coffee. I always tell people before coffee, I'm quiet. After coffee, I'm friendly.
That's true for a lot of people. I like mornings, though. The air feels fresh and everything is quiet. I usually sit by the window with my cup of coffee and just watch the sky.
That sounds peaceful. I usually check my phone first thing. I know I shouldn't, but I just want to see what's happening in the world.
Oh no, Patrick. You need to relax before looking at your phone.
Yeah, I know. I'm working on it. But that's actually a good example of small talk, right? You can say things like, how's your morning going? Or did you have breakfast? Or how's your day going?
Exactly. Those are great conversation starters, and they work with anyone. Classmates, coworkers, neighbors.
Right. You don't have to talk about something big, just small, friendly questions. At a coffee shop. Speaking of coffee, let's imagine we're at a coffee shop. How would you start small talk there?
Okay. Let's act it out. I'll be me, and you'll be the person in line next to me.
All right, ready.
Oh, hey, this line is long, huh?
Yeah, it is. I think everyone wants coffee this morning.
I know, right? I can't start my day without my caffeine fix.
Same here. What do you usually get?
Usually a latte, sometimes with oat milk. How about you?
I like cappuccinos, or sometimes just plain black coffee if I need energy fast.
Yeah, that's a real conversation. You see, we didn't talk about anything deep, but we were friendly.
Yes, and it felt natural. We used simple sentences and a happy tone. That's what makes people feel comfortable. Making friends through small talk.
Small talk is often how friendships begin. Like, I met one of my best friends just by talking about the weather.
Really? Tell me that story.
Okay, it was about 5 years ago. I was waiting for the bus and it started raining. I said to the person next to me, "Wow, crazy weather today, huh?" He laughed and said, "Yeah, I didn't bring an umbrella." We started talking and later we became friends.
That's awesome. See, that's the power of small talk. It's simple, but it can lead to something real.
Exactly. So if you're learning English, don't be shy to start small talk. You never know where it might lead.
Yes. And you can start with safe, easy topics like weather, food, weekends, work, hobbies.
Right. Like, it's so sunny today, or I love this music. Just little things.
Talking about the weather. Let's talk more about the weather one. That's probably the most classic small talk topic ever.
True. Everyone talks about it. It's like the international language of small talk.
Exactly. So you can say, it's so hot today, or I hope it doesn't rain.
And the other person might answer, yeah, it's really warm, or I forgot my umbrella too. I remember when I visited Seattle once, it rained every single day. I started every conversation with, still raining, huh?
That's funny. And people there must have said, yeah, welcome to Seattle.
Exactly. It was the perfect icebreaker.
So yeah, weather talk might sound boring, but it's actually useful and natural. Talking about food. Now let's talk about another great small talk topic, food. Oh yes, food is my favorite topic.
Everyone eats, so it's easy to talk about.
Totally. Like you can ask, have you tried that new pizza place? Or what's your favorite food? Yeah, and if you're meeting someone from another country, you can ask, what food do you miss from home? That's always a warm question.
Good point. I remember once I was at a company lunch and I didn't know anyone. So I asked the person next to me, hey, do you like sushi? She said, oh, I love sushi. And we talked for the whole lunch.
That's great. And even if the conversation is short, it helps you feel connected.
Exactly. And remember, small talk doesn't have to be perfect grammar. It's about being friendly, not perfect.
Yes, it's about connection, not perfection.
Small talk at work or school.
Let's do some examples for work or school, like how to talk with coworkers or classmates.
Sure. At work, you might say, hey, how's your day going? Or, did you finish that report? Just small, polite questions.
Or at school, how was the test? Or did you do the homework?
Yeah, and you can also talk about weekend plans. Like, do you have any plans for the weekend? That's always nice.
Oh yeah, people love talking about weekends. You can say, I'm going hiking, or I'm just staying home and watching movies.
That's me. I love lazy weekends.
Same here. Couch, blanket, and Netflix, perfect weekend.
That's a great example of small talk. It's light, friendly, and simple.
How to sound friendly. You know, Shirley, sometimes people worry about how they sound when they do small talk.
Yes, good point. Tone of voice is important. If you say, hi, how are you, with a smile, it sounds warm. But if you say flat, like, hi, how are you, it sounds cold.
Exactly. So always smile when you speak, even if the person can't see you, like on the phone. They can hear your smile.
Yes, and don't be afraid to laugh a little. A small laugh can make people feel relaxed.
Totally. You can also use small reactions like, oh, really? Or that's nice. Wow, that's interesting. Those make the conversation flow naturally.
That's a great tip. They show you're listening and that you care.
Small talk with neighbors. You know, Shirley, I think small talk is really helpful when you have new neighbors.
Oh yeah. When I moved into my new apartment, my neighbor said, hey, welcome to the building. That simple sentence made me feel so happy.
That's so kind. You can also say, how long have you lived here? Or do you like the neighborhood?
Exactly. And sometimes you can talk about pets or plants. Like, your dog is so cute, or your flowers look amazing.
Yes, compliments are a great way to start small talk, but make sure they're real and kind, not fake.
True. People can always tell when it's fake.
Small talk at a party. Let's imagine we're at a party. You don't know anyone. What would you say?
Okay. I'd probably start with something like, hey, this music is great, isn't it? Or, how do you know the host?
Oh, that's a good one. And if someone offers you food or a drink, you can say, thanks, this looks good. It's small talk, but it's friendly.
Yeah, and it helps you not feel awkward. I remember going to a friend's birthday party. I didn't know anyone there. So I started talking about the decorations. I said, wow, they really went out for the balloons. And that started a long, fun conversation.
Balloons saved the day.
Exactly.
Small talk while traveling. Okay, one more situation. Traveling. Like you're on a plane or waiting for a train.
Yes, that's perfect time for small talk. You can say,
Is this your first time in New York, or do you travel often?
Or even, the airport is so busy today. Simple things like that can make time go faster.
True. I once talked to a woman on a long flight from Chicago to Los Angeles. We talked about movies, travel, and snacks. By the end, it felt like we were old friends.
That's so nice. See, small talk can make the world feel a little smaller in a good way. When small talk feels hard.
But Shirley, let's be real. Sometimes small talk feels hard, right?
Oh, definitely. Especially if you're shy or nervous. Sometimes you don't know what to say.
Exactly. I used to feel that way too. But I learned it's okay to pause, smile, and say something simple.
Yes, even just, how's your day? Or, nice weather today is enough.
And if you make a mistake, don't worry. People care more about kindness than perfect grammar.
That's so true. Small talk is about connection, not perfection. If you're kind, people will want to talk to you again.
Exactly. That's what really matters.
Small talk tips. Recap. All right, let's quickly review our small talk tips for everyone watching.
Okay, number 1, start simple. Use easy topics like weather, food, work, or weekends.
Number 2, use a friendly tone and smile when you speak.
Number 3, listen. Don't just talk. Show interest with short reactions like, oh really, or that's cool.
Number 4, don't worry about mistakes. Just be yourself.
And number 5, keep it light and positive.
Perfect. Those are great. Reflection and takeaway.
You know, Shirley, when I think about it, small talk really changed my life. It helped me meet new people, make friends, and even get job opportunities.
Really?
Yeah, just by starting small conversations. You never know. That one hi might lead to something amazing.
That's so true. I think small talk is like planting a seed. It starts small, but it can grow into friendship.
Beautifully said.
Thanks. So for everyone watching, don't be afraid to start small. Just smile, say hello, and enjoy the moment.
Yes, practice every day at a coffee shop, at school, at work. And soon, small talk will feel natural.
Exactly. You'll make friends, build confidence, and have fun doing it.
All right, friends, that's all for today's episode, English Small Talk for Beginners.
We hope you enjoyed it and learned something new. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more English conversations.
And practice with us again. Listen, repeat, and speak with confidence.
Thank you for spending time with us today.
Take care and keep talking, one small talk at a time.
Bye, everyone.
Bye-bye.